cordial greeting. My name is Alexandra Rodriguez. In this video, I will talk about the multimillionaire Elon Musk. What do you know about this billionaire? Elon Rodriguez Musk born June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. Naturalized Canadians and Americans. Physics and economics. He is the owner of the Twitter network and founder of several companies such as SpaceX and SolarCity. He was named the richest man in the world last year. What do you think of the businesses and companies? He is undoubtedly a very intelligent character. Work to his companies gives the opportunity of employment to thousands of people, in addition to providing aid and benefits to children. They support research of renewable energy, human and pediatric exploration. His companies are bringing many benefits significantly society. Since with the creation of electric cars, he even great demand to the every month. What influence does he have on the world and society? He is a character of great influence for the world and especially for young people who want to undertake any business. He is a great example with ease of his technology invention and the contribution to make avoid pollution the planet. What do you think about the use he makes of this money? A large part of this fortune is used for extensive research, something that is very important for the development of humanity. And in very expensive luxuries, it's world also by very good to help more vulnerable population. What would you do if you were a millionaire? If were a millionaire, I would help to look for alternatives to protect the planet. I would create foundation to help children in a state of vulnerability. I would create a foundation to financially help people who need some kind of treatment and need it. Thank you very much.